Welcome to Ask and Learn.
So now we'll work on problem 18 from chapter 6. In this problem, we are asked to list the following types of electromagnetic radiation in order of increasing wavelength. And it gives 5 types of radiation: gamma rays produced in medical imaging, radiation from an FM radio station at 93.1 megahertz, radio signal from an AM radio station at 680 kilohertz, the yellow light from sodium vapor streetlights, and the red light of a light-emitting diode. So we want to place these in order of increasing wavelength. So we want wavelength to be increasing, which means we want to start with the smallest wavelength, or the highest energy, which is gamma rays. Gamma rays are the lowest wavelength, and then we can continue on. We know that FM and AM are radio frequencies, so they are much greater wavelengths, so the visible light should come first. And between yellow and red, between the red LED and the yellow street light, we know that the yellow color, the yellow wavelength, should be shorter, around 570 roughly nanometers, versus red, which would be above 650. And then between FM and AM, we can look at the frequencies given in the problem, and we can see that FM radio station has a much higher frequency than does AM, taking into account the units, megahertz and kilohertz. So since FM has a higher frequency, it'll have a higher energy, which means a lower wavelength. So FM will be next, and then finally the longest wavelength will be the AM radio station.